What's up, guys? Coming at you from a local gas station. About ready to go to a local car meet this morning. Just had to stop by, pump some gas real quick, but we're already on our way there. Let's get it. Beautiful, man. Clean looking Toyota Chaser right here. And it's right hand drive. Beautiful. Clean B58, 340. On the chrome TE. Nice. Beautiful G80 X Drive. On the go DBSs. Super clean. Another G80. Clean him. Thing slammed to the ground. Jesus.
I was like, I wanted to do one.
B58. Correct. Clean looking E36.
5 minutes and like see him physics.
Got some nice Recaros on there. They even got the clown shoe BMW. Nice M4.
That's the guy
He's sitting pretty nice. E98 M3 as well, clean.
But I don't think that's the same
Another E90 M3. Super clean. Like the fitment of it. Huh. And he's got to flex the cup holders. Dude, look at this high stuff right here, dude. It's so clean. Buckets too.
I don't know if I'm going to
Beautiful looking RX-7. Tough choice. E90 or E92 on the BBSs. So clean. Nice sparkle bucket seats. Nice little 350Z on the Advance. Okay.
If you want to go around, there's spots over there. If you want to go around, there's spots over there. All the back over there? Yeah.
Super dope E34. Color looks beautiful. I don't even know what color that is. It just looks beautiful. Yeah, matching the wheels too, bro. Super clean. And it's manual. Wow. Super dope. Super cool C5 Corvette. Love the red. Z6.
I was thinking about just getting one for me, and then my buddy's like,
Super clean meat. A lot of nice cars out here, but it's time to go.
Amazing, amazing. So I do like equipment pads, heaters, all that.
Overall, an awesome car meet. I love going to these local car meets because I get to see all the local people that live by and their builds. So it's always an awesome time to go to these car meets. Let me know down in the comment section below if you enjoyed watching this video. As always, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out.